Hi, if you're a Walsall tenant looking for a two-bedroom apartment, I think we found you an ideal property on the south side of Walsall. Today we are at Pommel Close. This is Silverdale Park area. The park is just behind me. We'll show you in a second where you can access the park areas. But we've got a two-bedroom maisonette, first floor flat, which we'll take you through to walk-through video and show you around. So if you just look towards this way now, this is where Pommel Close kind of comes in towards the bottom end of Pommel Close. And where you see the blue and black car next door to it is you turn left and Silverdale Park is just there. A lovely little park to go in and have lots of recreational time. And then if you look around this side over there is where Stirrup Close is, and basically from there you go and catch the West Bromwich Road going into West Brom, Walsall, and we're kind of where we are here, we're in between Bescot train station and Cambridge Parkway as well. Ideal place to kind of travel from into Birmingham and to Wolverhampton, West Bromwich and Walsall town centres as well. So I'll take you around now and through the property, okay, if you follow me. So if the camera just wants to go and stand over there. So what we've got, this is entrance to the flat, and then this is a little storeroom which houses the meters. And then if we go into the flat, stairs up straight away to the first floor. Okay, if we go left to right, then we'll come into the bedroom first. I think there are two double bedrooms. You could easily get a couple of beds in here. A double bed I meant, or a single. So good size, as you can see. There's a little storeroom here in this corner. So you can add some storage. The property is centrally heated. Gas-fired, combination boiler. You've got double electric points over here, double electric points over there. So I guess a bed would probably go somewhere along this side. And then you've got bedside tables on both sides. There was what looks like something on the wall over here. There's a TV point over there, an aerial coming down, as you can see. You've got blinds and curtains on the windows. Okay, so you come out again to the landing. Everything is basically off this landing. And then you come into the second bedroom. To me, they look like very similar sizes. Again, you've got lots of electric points, basically double electric sockets on each wall. Blinds and curtains again, central heating radiator. And then once the camera comes over here, just where the camera is standing is where, actually that's the aerial point coming out to over here. There's a TV aerial point over here as well. So both rooms have got TV aerial points. Okay. And then if we go into the bathroom, I'll let the camera go in. There'll be a bit more space like that. It looks like a newly refurbished shower room. Wash hand, basin, with a vanity unit under, toilet, and a really good spacious shower. The shower has got, if the camera can pick it up, a waterfall type shower head. And this runs off the combination boiler system. Okay, and as the camera comes out on the left, you can see the towel rail as well, the chrome towel rail. Okay, so this is the main living room. A really good size. Really good space. I mean, you can comfortably get your sofas and a dining table maybe in that corner over here. You've got over here your BT point, what looks like Virgin Media as well. So I guess you got fibre if there's Virgin Media. This one's an open reach socket. And all the TV wires have just been tidied up and planted over here. So I guess that's your TV point over here. That'll probably be a sofa. That'll probably be a dining room table over there. To me, it's kind of ready to move in. You know, it's, in terms of decoration, you're looking at probably about 70% or so sorted. It's not fresh and brand new, but you know, it's acceptable and it's ready to move in. Just come in, plonk your furniture. There's no window dressings you need to do. There's no decoration to be done. You just come in and live. Carpets are of a good condition as well. So if you come into the kitchen, again, I'll come into the kitchen with the camera. So we'll just close the door behind. It looks like a recently fitted kitchen. Lots of range of base and wall units. You can see all along here, along this wall, you've got lots of wall units. Your actual central heating boiler is here. That's a Valent Ecotech Pro 24, which is a really good combination boiler system. Manuals there underneath, drawers, lots of base units. And if the camera just wants to come over here, once they do, I'll show you that you've got this point here for your washing machine. Yep, and then over there is your, what would be a tall fridge freezer you can place here next to the cooker. So integrated, you've got oven and hob already in place with an extractor above, and again more units to the left and right of the kitchen. So that's your lot, a 2-bedroom first floor maisonette in the lovely Silverdale Park area. So we'll end the video over here. Thank you very much for watching. I hope you got a good feel of what this property has to offer. If you are interested in making an application, all the links will be in the description. Please follow the instruction and make your inquiries. And hopefully we'll see you on the other side to a physical viewing if that's what you require. Take care and talk to you soon.